Mike Holm, Clean Grout Northwest. So we did this shower yesterday and I took a before video and we got it as I at least claimed to the client, about a 65 to 85% improvement. And we regrouted the worst of those cracks, polished the glass all the way around the base of the shower pan. We dug the grout out and replaced it with super grout additive epoxy. Steam cleaned all of the stone, acid etched all of the stone and the grout, and sealed it all. And got almost all of the super heavy calcification gone, and got rid of a lot of soap scum. And if you remember before, there was really bad, an actual crack and really bad efflorescence. You can still see some. That would literally take dental tool, and just we've already spent a lot of hours all day yesterday with two guys, so we had about 16 hours in here yesterday to get the shower back to even this good, which is actually pretty, in my opinion, pretty dramatic improvement if you've ever worked on a Slate shower on Bainbridge Island and you know what this hard water. So there's still some in the really, really low spots. This all got silica carbide brushes, and every tile got basically wet sanded down. The nice thing about the silica carbide brushes is they keep the texture of the slate, so it's not smooth. You still have the lumpiness and texture, so it's not slippery. So